Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Monday, May 24th, 2021, and we have a very exciting topic today. Today, we're going to talk about archaeology. Now, with the pictures that you are seeing, what do you think archaeology is? Hmm, I can see some people digging. I see some tools here. There are a lot of people and a lot of digging. But what is archaeology? Do you know? Well, if you don't know, let's talk a little more about this. What is it? Well, archaeology is a science. Yeah, you might know. But you don't. I don't see experiments and stuff like that. No, it's not kind of science. It's a science that studies the human life by looking artifacts that people left behind. They don't study bones like a pathologist. They study artifacts. Artifacts like knives, jars, art sculptures, all the things that human in the past made, they studied it. So what is the job of an archaeologist? Well, by the study of the thing, by the study of the things that they discover by digging on holes, they start studying them to determine how many and in what time they live. So with the study of that knife, they can establish when they were living, the age, the time. Like, oh, let's say that, for example, an archaeologist in the future finds my cell phone. Oh, okay, maybe this person lived between 20, 2000 2020. You see. Also, with the study of the artifacts, they can know what kind of government they have, what art they created and left behind, what kind of religion they have, what kind of technology they develop or they use in their culture, and what kind of science and inventions they made. Uh, Archaeologists are like detectives, but by looking stuff of the past. So you might think, oh, well, where do they look for that information? Well, let me tell you, they usually work in ruins like this, ruins of villages, deep in the jungles, also remains of villages, dangerous deserts, and even on underwater. I know it sounds very amazing, but it's also very dangerous to be an archaeologist because you are exposed to dangerous things. But imagine that you find a society that lived in the past. It's amazing. I would love I would have loved to be an archaeologist. So, tomorrow we're going to talk a little more about this. Okay? So, have a very nice day and yeah, see you tomorrow. Have goodbye.